Namula.
Una.
Thank you. Please be seated.
On behalf of the Honourable Prime Minister and the Office of the Prime Minister, I welcome His Excellency the Ambassador of the People's Republic of China, invited guests, and members of the media to the official exchange of letters for the Vanualevu Road maintenance and upgrade proceed project. We will now invite the Honourable Prime Minister to deliver his official remarks.
From the Japanese? Your Excellency, Ambassador ZHOU Jian, Ambassador of the People's Republic of China to the Republic of Fiji, Nisambula, Chairman of Fiji Roads Authority, officials from the Ministry of Works, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambula Naka, and a very good morning. I'm privileged to be here this morning and conforming to Bula Shirt Day or Bula Day of the public service. And I thank the ambassador for coming in Bula Shirt also. We're here for the formalization of the exchange of notes for the very generous China Aid project for the maintenance and the upgrade of 80 kilometers of roads on Vanua Levu. That's why I was punching the air. Long time coming, but we have been patient, and I urge everyone else to be as patient as we have been in Vanua Levu. Last week we opened the upgraded National Hockey Center and the National Aquatic Center with His Excellency Ambassador ZHOU Jian, and we continue to see demonstrations of the generosity of our friends from the People's Republic of China with today's formal exchange of notes. I also wish to commend China's ongoing cooperation in advancing issues of mutual priorities and regional and in the regional and global arenas. I also wish to reiterate the People's Coalition government, our commitment to strengthening our partnership for the mutual benefit of both our nations, one very big and one very small. I thank Ambassador ZHOU Jian for continuing discussions on the prospects for future cooperation in the areas of socio-economic development. The One China principle has been the firm foundation of the Fiji-China diplomatic relations founded some 49 years ago. Today's exchange of notes confirms an agreement for a feasibility study to be carried out for the Vanua Levu Road upgrading projects. A technical team from the Republic of China, People's Republic of China, will be dispatched to Fiji to carry out the feasibility study with cooperation from the Fiji Roads Authority and Transport Department of the Ministry of Works. The feasibility study will cost around RMB 2,200,000, 2,200,000 yuan, under the agreement on the economic and technical cooperation between the governments of China and Fiji. The roads which are being considered for upgrading and sealing under this agreement include parts of Natewa-West Coast Road, that's on the wrong side of the coast, from Nangingi to Cortasere, 35 kilometers in the province of the Cakaudrove. Junction from Nabalebale to Dawara Road, which is 35 kilometers, also in the province of the Cakaudrove. And the Nabouwalu to Levu road in the province of Bua of about 10 kilometers. The upgrading tar sealing of the 3 trunk roads have been prioritized as this will further improve productivity in Vanualevu and will boost new economic opportunities. In addition, the upgrade of these roads will provide better services and access to remote villages and communities, particularly access to markets, education, healthcare, public services, and associated economic activities, as well as the effective construction and management of sealed and unsealed roads network. This project is envisaged to provide the enabling environment for the private sector and business communities to invest in Vanualevu. In closing, I thank the government of the people of the Republic of China. I thank His Excellency ZHOU Jian for the generous China aid for this project, and I thank you all. Nabalebale.
Thank you, sir. We will now invite His Excellency Mr. ZHOU Jian to provide his official remarks.
Honourable Prime Minister, distinguished guests, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a big day and also a good day for China-Fiji Pragmatic Cooperation. I'm honored to participate in the ceremony of the feasibility study of the China Aid Vanualevu Road Upgrading Project with Prime Minister Honourable Rabuka. This ceremony marks the official launch of this project. Please allow me to introduce the project first. It includes 3 sections of roads covering 82 kilometers. We will build 22 brand new bridges, and the investment scale is expected to be 300 million Fiji dollars. When finished, the project will successfully connect 61 villages, as well as 15 primary and secondary schools, USP Labasa campus, and FNU Labasa campus. It will also collect plenty of medical service institutions, including ZHOU Hospital and transport hubs such as ZHOU Port. No wonder that this project will significantly improve the infrastructure construction level and the traffic condition of Vanualevu, promote the development of the tourism and the economy, and also improve people's livelihood. I would like to emphasize that China and Fiji are always good friends, good partners, and good brothers through thick and thin. Since both sides signed MOU on Belt and Road Cooperation in 2018, bilateral economic cooperation and people-to-people exchange have yielded fruitful results. The Vanualevu Road Upgrading Project will be the flagship project of the Belt and Road Cooperation between China and Fiji. We will work together. We will work together closely with our Fijian counterparts to build it into a high-quality project and a model project. Looking forward, China will continue to promote the fruitful cooperation with Fiji under the framework of Belt and Road Initiative and Global Development Initiative in areas such as infrastructure construction, renewable energy, agriculture and fishery, so on and so forth. I highly appreciate Honourable Prime Minister's reiterate the One China principle of Fiji government, which is a basic, solid foundation of our bilateral relations. We highly appreciate that. We firmly believe that China and Fiji will jointly build a community with a shared future for mankind, and let the gains of our relations to benefit our 2 countries and 2 peoples. Nabalebale-Naviavia. 谢谢。
Sir. We will now have the handing over of the exchange of letters.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now.
we invite media to take pictures.
Already. In China, yes, we have already signed already.
Yes.
Yes, so we
This was signed by the Permanent Secretary in the Office of the Prime Minister, but because of the importance and the profile of the project, I have personally come to participate at the exchange of notes.
we are honored with the presence of Honourable Prime Minister. Your presence here will, facilitate this process.
Thank you.
We will build it faster and more effective. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So we exchange.
Yes.
Yeah.
I hope everything written here is the same as the
Yes. After completion, we will drink kava.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Vinaka.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
That's it. Have a good weekend.